Standard 8 Subject Social Science, Chapter number 3, Nationalism in India, Part 4. In previous part we have learned about the intention of Swadeshi movement done by the Indian leaders, starting of national education and the extremities, that is Lal, Bal and Pal, which were Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. After that we have learned about the home rule movement started by Annie Besant. Because of that she was arrested in Uti and after that he was killed. Annie Besant was the first president of Indian National Congress session. Today we are going to learn about Lucknow Pact, which was held or done in 1960. Lucknow Pact refers to an agreement between the National Indian Congress and the Muslim League as a joint session held in Lucknow. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then the member of Congress as well as the League, made both the parties reach an agreement to pressure the British government, approach towards India and give Indians more authority to run their country. This Lucknow Pact also established the cordial relation between two prominent groups of Indian National Congress and the moderates and the extremities. As we have learned in last part that Muslim League was made by Britishers for divide and rule policy. After that, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was born in 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. His mother's name was Prabhavati and father's name was Janki Nath Bose. He was very intelligent since his childhood. He stood fourth in ICS exam in the year 1920 and conducted in London. He then joined the Indian National Congress after returning to India and participated in freedom struggle. He became the president of Haripura session of Congress in 1938 and the second time in Tripura session held in 1939. In May 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose formed a new political party, Forward Bloc, when the Second World War broke out in the Europe. Subhash Chandra Bose party, Forward Bloc, launched an anti-war propaganda. As a result, his followers were arrested and imprisoned by the government. While in jail, Subhash Chandra Bose went on hunger strike and that deteriorated his health and government was forced to set him free. On 17th January 1941, Subhash Chandra Bose escaped from the house arrest and disguised himself as the Pathan and reached in Berlin via Peshawar, Kabul and Moscow. He gave a speech on Berlin radio which shocked the Britishers. From there he went to Japan via Sumatra. The important facts of Subhash Chandra Bose were when he was in Germany and Japan were fighting against England. Subhash Chandra Bose took advantage of this and started communicating with the German leader Hitler and Japan's Prime Minister Tojo. Being an Asian country, Japan was in better position to help. So Subhash Chandra Bose decided to start the fight for freedom with the help of Japan. At that time, he started Indian National Army. An Indian soldier from British Army, Captain Mohan Singh, formed Azad Hind Fauj with the help of Indian soldiers who had surrendered and were prisoners. Due to the difference of opinion between Japanese government and Ras Bihari Bose, Mohan Singh had to resign. The future of Azad Hind Fauj became blurred. With general consent, Ras Bihari Bose appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the chief of Azad Hind Fauj on 4th July 1943. He given the honorary title of Netaji. Netaji gave the slogan Chalo Delhi and Jai Hind, the Fauj and the nation. He toured the countries of Southeast Asia and appealed the Indians living there to sacrifice everything for the freedom of country. He said to the people, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." This slogan was a new impetus to the freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose established Arzi Hukumat-e-Azad Hind, that is Acting Government of Free India, in Singapore in October 1943. He took charge as the Chief of Army. With this government declared a war against England and America. Role of Azad Hind Fauj. Azad Hind Fauj was organized by Subhash Chandra Bose after he became the Chief of Arzi Hukumat-e-Azad Hind. Proper training was given to soldiers and Azad Hind Fauj was divided into various battalions. Azad Hind Fauj was divided into main 4 battalions by Subhash Chandra Bose and was named as Gandhi, Subhash, Nehru and Azad respectively. A special and separate battalion named Jhansi Ki Rani constituted only of females and was led by Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Azad Hind Fauj secured victory at various fronts in eastern border of India, like Arakan and Imphal. Later, Fauj was forced to retreat due to shortage of food supply and heavy rain. 4,000 soldiers died and 25 soldiers were arrested. Netaji had taken a vow that he will not enter in subjected India. Netaji left Rangoon and Bangkok and moved ahead by air. As per the reports published by Japanese government, his plane that took off from Taipei airport of Formosa on 18 August 1945 crashed and he was being seriously burned and succumbed to death. This is how Subhash Chandra Bose was left India and fight for it from outside the India and has contributed a great work towards the freedom of the country. Here we are completing our chapters. You have to write all the questions in your solve all the questions of your workbook. Thank you.